You know what is scarier than missing a deadline? Having 5 status meetings a week and still not knowing who is actually doing what. Old good traditional project management, or rather a chaos it can become. Hi, I'm Victoria, business psychologist, agile trainer, and transformational lead with over a decade of experience in IT companies. Today we are diving into basics. Traditional project management versus agile. What is the real difference? I already have a video about agile transformation and you can watch it separately. However, I realized that people might not know what is actually the difference between traditional project management and agile. So why exactly we would need to make that agile transformation? What would it give you in the end? Let's start with the most fundamental difference, the control tower versus self-steering ship. In this analogy, traditional project management is like an airport control tower where everything is steering from one place. There is one project manager who directs all the traffic, assigns tasks, and makes all the decisions. In Agile, we flip this upside down. There is no central task distribution. Instead, there is a pool of tasks called backlog, and teams know what to take and how to organize the delivery. From this perspective, we have decentralized decision-making. Each team inside has a mechanism by the majority how to make the decision. Because usually people who actually do the work know the best how to accomplish it. From this point, we naturally come to the next point, project manager versus shared leadership. In traditional methods, project manager holds the power.
Shall not pass!
They assign tasks, approve decisions, and take the blame or credits. Agile distributes leadership across the team. So inside the team, responsibilities are shared. Shared responsibility means that everyone inside the team holds this responsibility. Everyone is responsible to achieve the success. You don't need one project manager who would hold everything in their head. It's just impossible, yeah? But everything is stored inside each team, and everyone can make decisions for themselves. And as you know, there are 3 roles: Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Developers. So Scrum Master is not a project manager. He or she facilitates or coaches, if you want, the team. Product Owner makes decision for the product, how this product should look like, what we are building, yeah? And developers are saying how to execute it technically. This model fosters ownership and engagement because people commit to what they co-create. The next point, planning versus adapting. In traditional project management, the plan is the king. You define everything upfront, scope, timeline, resources, and then you stick to that plan even if world changes. It can actually work in a situation when you, for example, repeat the same activities again and again. If you know all the requirements in advance, which is possible, for example, when you build a bridge, you have all the documentation, you understand what should be done. Okay, then traditional project management works here. In IT, quite often we don't know the requirements in advance. We implement the first step and then we see the reaction of the market, and then the client, or we, if we are a product company, think how to adjust and further improve our product. That's the main point and value of Agile, that you can have super fast feedback from the market and you can adjust your product for the changing world. If you're implementing Agile from scratch, or you are changing from a traditional project management to agile way of work for your team, company, department, and you feel like you need support, just contact me. I provide one-on-one sessions, coaching, so that you can achieve the best outcome for your needs. In the description, you will find the links how to contact me. And the next point will be from command and control to empowerment and trust. Traditional project management operates on command and control. You do this. By that time, let me micromanage you. Agile is rooted into empowerment and trust. Okay, big buzzwords. What does it mean in reality? We trust the team to organize their work, collaborate, and deliver value. Team means Scrum Master, Product Owner, and developers all together. They are kind of a combination of project manager and the team. So this project manager role is spread inside the team. And that's why they are self-organizing. This organizational power is inside. So of course, everything is structured. Yes, there is a framework. It's given. Yeah, it's not that each team will invent something different. No. And there is Scrum Master for them there to implement that framework and to support the idea, yeah, how to make it more effectively. But this psychological shift changes everything from compliance to commitment, from fear of failure to safe to try environment. Next point, measuring success. Traditional success sounds like, did we deliver on scope, budget, time? Agile success sounds like, did we deliver the value? Are we solving the right problem? Are we continuously improving? The last but not least, we are going to talk about team dynamics, silos versus collaboration. In traditional setup, departments or teams are working in silos. And in this way, miscommunications are common. Imagine one team works on UI UX design, another team works on backend, the third team works on front end, another team makes testing for all of this product, another team documents it, and so on. To deliver one feature, you need many different teams, and you have many dependencies between them, and you need a super complicated planning for them to actually plan in their timelines when to deliver a feature. It's a huge overhead. In Agile, we work in small cross-functional teams. So one team has UX UI designer, if you need them, of course, backend developer, front-end developer, tester, BA, or anyone else you need in one team, up to 10 people altogether, yeah? In this case, you don't need a complex planning. You plan only for the one team to deliver one feature. Super easy. It creates alignment, reduces waste, and dramatically increases accountability. The delivery becomes very efficient. Agile is not chaos, it's controlled adaptation. Now let me know in the comments which part of a traditional project management drives you crazy the most. Please don't forget that sometimes what people call agile is not actually agile, but just a traditional project management with maybe some elements, for example, daily stand-up, which doesn't make the whole change according to what we just learned today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.